Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error 403. So first thing first, you'll have to close your Roblox application if you are opening it. So quit this and also click on this drop down menu. If you see Roblox here, right click onto it, select exit. Now make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and also make sure that you have disabled any VPN that you are using. Now, second step, you may go ahead, launch a browser, type in Roblox login, select Roblox from here, and see if you can work fine with Roblox in your browser. If it's working fine in your browser and if it's not working in your app, then you will need to come below at the search bar here, type in Roblox. Here you will see app settings. Open it. Here, scroll below. You will see repair somewhere. Under reset, you will see repair. Select this. Make sure that you complete till here. Once done, close this. Now this shall fix your problem, and if it's still not working for you, then you will have to uninstall Roblox. For that also, come below at the search bar, type in Roblox. Select uninstall. Uninstall it, and you can easily download this in your Microsoft Store. So guys, this is how you can fix your problem. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your queries and comments, you may go ahead and join our Techmates membership. Members will get first priority on comments and queries. The link is right down below.